I'm Yankel, and today we're going to answer the eternal question: how do I keep my chicken breast from drying out when I cook it? To answer that question, I'm going to use some of our beautiful 100% organic chicken breasts. We're going to make a quick marinade. We're going to start them in a pan, add a little bit of liquid, finish them in the oven, and at the same time, we have a beautiful pan sauce. 2 birds, 1 pan. Who's writing these jokes? Let's do it. We're going to start by making a quick marinade. A couple of garlic cloves. The fastest way to mince garlic. A little bit of lemon zest. I'm going to save that lemon for the juice for the pan sauce. The fastest, most efficient, and least destructive way to chop herbs is to roll them into a tight little ball and then just slice them. Just gonna add a touch of olive oil to bring it all together. A little black pepper, some salt. Gonna marinate my chicken breasts. 3 tips to making perfect, juicy chicken breast. 1, start it in a pan so you build up all that flavor, get a little bit of a crust. 2, add a little bit of liquid. 3, finish in the oven. So that's what we're gonna do. Give it a quick sear. I don't need it to be scorching hot. I just need it hot enough to get a nice sear. I'm looking for a little bit of a brown crust on the chicken. I just want a sear. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start building a pan sauce even before we put it in the oven. So I'm gonna do brown butter. I've got whole butter. I'm gonna add it to the pan and I'm basically gonna let it burn. So the milk fat in the butter is gonna start to turn brown. Awesome, awesome elements in your sauce. So I'm gonna add a little pepper to that. Even as it browns, I'm gonna add a little bit of sage to start building some flavor there. And I'm gonna stop the browning process by adding chicken stock before I put it in the oven. And that brown butter can be used for sweet application, savory application. Brown butter, brown. Waiting for that butter to brown patiently. But you can see, if you look right at the foam that's building up there, you see it starting to brown up. We're getting exactly what we want. All right, right now, we're ready to add a little bit of stock. We're ready to go into the oven, 375 for about 5 minutes. So I finished the chicken breast in the oven, and what happens is I sear it, the pores open up. I put it in the oven with liquid, the pores absorb all of that liquid. Flavor, sauce, herb, butter, all that goes into the chicken breast. So now I've finished the chicken breast, we're gonna make a pan sauce out of it. And we're just basically gonna reduce it down a little bit, add a splash of lemon juice. 1 minute of reduction, squeeze of lemon juice, done. Literally the easiest, most delicious, most moist, juicy, flavorful chicken breast you're ever gonna taste. Start with 100% organic, you can't lose.